If you're not getting verification codes on Total Wireless, it's likely due to aggressive spam filters blocking short codes. These are the 5 6-digit numbers used to send automated SMS messages. Total Wireless, operating on Verizon's network, has strict filters to combat spam and fraud. But these filters can sometimes block legitimate verification codes. As of October 2025, this is still a common issue. Other potential causes include your device settings like Do Not Disturb mode, network congestion, or SIM card problems. If you're still having issues, try contacting customer support for assistance. If you're not receiving verification codes on Total Wireless, here are the steps to fix it. First, ensure your phone isn't blocking SMS from unknown numbers or short codes. Check if Do Not Disturb is enabled. If the problem persists, contact Total Wireless customer service at 1-800-864-6546 or via their app to request an unblock. Provide them with your IMEI number. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours. As an alternative, consider using app-based 2FA like Google Authenticator or email verification whenever possible, as these bypass SMS. By 2026-2027, SMS is less reliable than other methods, and Total Wireless is trying to phase it out completely for account security.